Have you ever walked through a mobile 40-foot CL-2 facility before? Well, lucky for you, we have a recent project here at Germfree. You can walk through this facility with Randy Sorrentino, our lead mechanical engineer on this project.
Hi everyone, my name is Randy Sorrentino. I'm a mechanical engineer here at Germfree Laboratories. We're currently standing in the CL-2 40-foot trailer mobile laboratory. This here is the entry room. So this is the first room that the users will go into to gown, as well as just check like alarms and that everything is operational before entering the containment boundary. Behind me here, we have CCTV. This here's the human-machine interface for the building management system. It's currently turned off, but this is where you would see all your HVAC set points as well as any alarms. And then this trailer is outfitted with hydraulic slide outs as well as awnings. So you'll see these displays here to my left, as well as fire burglar, which is standard on all of our mobile platforms. There's some casework for some office and clerical type work to happen, again, before they enter into the main working lab area. And to my right, we have a smart TV so that the users can display whatever data that they get from their, from their process or whatever else they could need. Okay, we're now standing in the main CL-2 laboratory. So this trailer is going to Canada, and the floors are actually outfitted with like a heated electric floor system. This trailer also has a slider door, which is the first I've seen in a mobile platform. To my left, we have a hands-free sink required for CL-2, also equipped with the deck mount eye wash. To my right, we have outfitted the slide out with overhead storage cabinets. We have an air suspension table, as well as just regular stainless steel casework tables. We have fridges and freezers to help support the process that the users are going to be doing, as well as a stainless steel chase to plug in benchtop equipment, computers, whatever they may need. To my left, we have a Class 3 glove box. This is where most of the process work is going to be happening. This is negative pressure for containment. On this glove box, it's outfitted with a HEPA supply and double HEPA exhaust. There's also a monitor for monitoring everything happening in the trailer. They'll be able to see every camera feed from that monitor while working at the glove box. Kind of moving on to further down the trailer, we have a Class 2 that's also connected by a pass box. So someone could be working in the Class 2 and they can essentially exchange materials between these two cabinets, as well as with anyone working over here using that pass box. Kind of going to the MEP, this trailer is just outfitted with stainless steel registers for both supply and return. All of the HEPA filtration is in the mechanical room via a bag in, bag out housing, both on the supply and exhaust. Kind of moving back here, again, more fridges and freezers, as well as some more storage and casework to my right. It's not currently installed as we're not providing it, but there also will be a top load autoclave in here to decon any process work. So in the ceiling, in addition to the stainless steel registers, we have clean room rate and BSL-3 rated lights. These lights are equipped with emergency ballast, so in the event of power loss, you can still have enough light to egress. This here is one of the access panels. This is purely just for service. Everything's gasketed and caulked so that it's airtight sealed. Our trailers are outfitted again with like smoke and fire alarm. They're also outfitted with wireless internet. So that box right there would be where you would plug in your router so that you can have wireless connectivity. So one of the biggest challenges with this trailer was that it's a new platform for us. So the 40-foot A-frame with like the slide out was new to me and new to a lot of the people on my team. So one of the biggest challenges was just learning this platform, and just the hardest part about our job is just making everything fit, your 5 pounds of stuff in like your 2-pound bag. So everything really did come together great. And like with the slide out, this is probably the most roomy trailer I've ever been in, despite it also being the smallest trailer that we've ever built in, at least in recent time. So everything did come together really well. I think engineering production, we really delivered, a quality product. And I think the fit and finish looks great, and hopefully our users find it useful for many years to come. So from the design perspective, there was a lot of heavy coordination with the trailer manufacturer as well as the end users who are laboratory scientists. So this trailer was built custom for this project from scratch. It was designed from nothing. It wasn't like a pre-existing shell that we repurposed. So from the get-go, there was a lot of heavy coordination between Germfree's engineering and production and project management, as well as the trailer manufacturer's engineering, production, and project management, as well as the lab users, in Canada. Being that it's going to Canada, one of the other harder parts of this project is making sure everything is winterized. So this trailer is required to operate from minus 40 degrees Celsius all the way to like 30 degrees Celsius positive, which is a huge temperature range. And being in a mobile platform, it presents its own challenges. So everything is insulated and sealed. In the case of this trailer, as mentioned earlier, we have the heated floors to help out. Everything's got to be winterized on the plumbing, so we don't have issues there. But it was a lot of design thought and a lot of coordination between not just Germfree's team, but as well as the trailer manufacturer and the end user. So. One of the other main big differentiating features between this trailer and some of our more standard offerings is this slide out. So right now, the slide out's fully deployed, and that's why on the inside, it feels like we have a lot more room than you normally would in a trailer. That's something that our partner, the trailer manufacturer, designed, and we just outfitted. And I think it really turned out good, and hopefully the users feel like they have a lot of additional space because of that. One other thing, also kind of our partner, the trailer manufacturer, we have under compartment storage. So normally this trailer is going to probably be deployed regularly. It's not going to stay in a static position. So stuff like that is just some nice quality of life for the end users. So.
Thank you for joining us today. Make sure to follow Germfree on LinkedIn right here for more insights like this and behind the scenes of facilities and projects that are about to go out the door.